Hello everybody, it's Amanda from Crafty Fit, and today I am going to be making some more page kits. I'm going to be using the Stay Colorful and the Jen Hatfield Hey Hello collections, and I'm not going to be intermixing them. I'm just going to make probably 2 from this page and 2 from this page. And we're just gonna have some fun because I sometimes just want to play with paper, and this is what I like to do when I have a new collection. And so I have my scrap bin next to me, and I'm going to be adding some scrap sheets to these as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and flip through and just kind of remember what I know about these kits, or these paper pads. So we're just going to flip through and see. And I already see one that I want to use, so I am stopping on it because I love this page. Everything about this page I love. So I'm just gonna play with it, and I feel like this page goes really well with this page right here. Like, it's perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to flip through just to see what else I have and make that decision a little bit easier. So let's see. That would be really cute to like fussy cut all these out and layer them on a page. Oh my gosh, I need like 2 of these sheets, like for serious. All right, I think, oh, even that yellow looks really good with it. I think I'm just gonna go with this one. We're just gonna go with it because I know it's super cute and I love it. So we're going to go with that one, and I'm going to see what else I can add to this page. And I think the pink might be a little... All right, everyone, sorry, my phone actually died. So I am starting off where I left off, and I know I was playing with the Stay Colorful collection, and I was playing with these 2, and I was looking through my pink papers, and I actually found this paper that went really, really well with this color scheme, and I really, really like this. So I'm going to leave this page kit by itself and go and find another one so you guys will see. But I just love this page. I love this page. I think that this is from Carousel, I think. And so I just think it looks perfect with it. So I picked that out for that page kit. And then let's go ahead and we can see if we can find another one. And just gonna flip through and just kind of focus on which one I like, which one, like, you know, speaks out to me. I really like this one, so we might hold on to that one. Yes, I think that might be a winner. So I really, really like this color scheme right here. It's really pretty. Flowers, can't go wrong with flowers. So let's go ahead and let's put this one as our like starting point. And we're just gonna flip through and just kind of see what we can add to this page. Ooh, I like that. It's very, very, there's no colored pink in here, so it might be a little bit harder to play with that one. Oh, they're kind of the same size, so that won't work. I do like that. That's very interesting. We'll see. I I do like that with the hearts. That's cute. Let's keep going. Oh, I like that one, the yellow one. Okay. I think I might have one to go with this one. Ooh, words with yellow. That could work. I'm thinking that the words with the yellow might work. So instead of that, and instead of this one, thinking that the words, so we'll go with the words. So let's see what this looks like. So this is our page. And I think what I'm going to do is try to bring in some of this like purplish, it's almost like a purplish blue. So let's see if I can try to find something that is purple. I have something right here. Does this match? Nope. Yeah, no. It doesn't. Okay, let's look at the purple. And I'm just looking through my stack of papers. I don't have a whole lot of purple. This is like the only purple that I have. Which this could go really well with that. Like that looks perfect. See, this is like how much purple I have. Seriously, it's like not even anything. So that will go in that kit. Let me just put this back. And I think that is going to be it for this paper pad. And so let's go ahead and we can go to the next one. And the next one is going to be Hello, Hey Hello. And now I just realized that this was actually made for card making. So I'm going to try to do 2 pages, and I already have some sheets of this like loose, so I will be using those for scrapbooking, and then I think I'm going to use the rest of this for card making and just maybe make a video on how I use this whole thing up for cards, because I do need to get my cards made and used up. So it's just perfect for cards. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to flip through, because I didn't grab all of the paper when I went and got the sheets. But so I don't have I don't think I have, I know I don't have this sheet right here. Where is it? I know I don't have this sheet or this sheet. So, and these two, I think are the perfect combination. So that is what I'm going to do first. When I first flip through this, I know that they go really well together, and I don't have them in my stash. So before I go making cards, I know I want to pull these two and use them and have them for scrapbook pages. And yeah, so I know I want to use these two. And I think I'm going to try to bring in some of this coral pink in my stash. Let's see if I could find something in my stash to kind of match that. I'm going to pull out my pinks and see what I have. I might not have anything of that color, so might be a little hard to match, but we'll at least try. We will at least try to use something. It almost looks like it might be red, so we could try. Ooh, I like that. I mean, there's only one piece of it left, but it is cute. It does kind of match. We'll leave that one in there. Trying to see if that pink could put that in there. this match? Ooh, that one might match. Okay, I think we're gonna go with those and just kind of have those as like an accent. I think that would match really, really well. Okay, so that is going to be another page kit using this pad. I'm gonna try to find one more, and let's see if we can find one more. I know I have this sheet. Super cute. And I think I have this one too. So I don't think I have the animals, but I just don't know how I would use them. I could try to use them. Maybe like with this layout or this page. Okay. We're gonna take the animals. I know it's a little far-fetched, but I don't think I have this one. So we're gonna take the animals and let's see what else we can take from here. That's pretty. I think I want to use, I want to either use this one or the black. I think I'm going to go with the black one. I know it's a little busy, but these two will look good together, and then I will try to maybe bring in some of the yellow or gold. I don't think that this one had any like gold in it. Besides that one yellow piece, which I will use for cards. We do have that. Okay. I do like that. The polka dot. That could work. All right, let's come back to that and see if we can try to bring in some of this like goldish yellow. Let's see if we can bring any of that in with our stack of. I'm gonna bring in some orange too, because I feel like that is kind of like orangey. I don't know. We'll see. All right, flowers, guitars, no. What is this? We have some of those strips. No, I could bring in some of this gold. That would be pretty. That's a little bit too light. What about this one? Does that look good? Oh, yes. Okay. We're going to go with that. All right. So we have two at least. So I'm going to actually save this and make a project out of this to basically make as many cards as I can. Maybe I might record that, but yeah, we got 4 page kits done using these 2 collections. So that is super exciting. I will be playing with this one more, but I just really wanted to play with some paper. So I will be back hopefully with another video and doing some more page kits. And if you guys like making page kits, let me know down below. Let me know if you do this. And also don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and ask any questions down below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.